So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in NVIDIA control panel. Click on it. If you don't have the NVIDIA control panel installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select Manage 3D Settings. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until we find DSR Factors. Double click on it. It's going to be saying Legacy Scaling. You want to tick all these boxes right here to enable everything here. Tick all these boxes and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select the monitor that you want to set your 4K resolution on. So just select it. And now we're going to scroll down until we find display resolution. You want to click on the drop down. My monitor only goes up to 1080p, so I don't have this option. But in your case, it's going to be saying 3840 by 2160, which is 4K resolution. You want to select that 3840 by 2160. After you select that, now you want to click on the drop down on scale. For you, most likely it's going to be saying 200% recommended. You want to select that option, and then that's how you do it.